Hi, we're back at the Pepper Cook Studio after many months of being away, and today we're making a pumpkin curry.
So I've got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil that's heated up, and I'm just going to put about half a teaspoon of whole cumin, followed by some fenugreek seeds. If you don't have them, it's okay, you can skip them, but they add a lot of flavor. So we're just going to let those brown a little bit till they give off a nice roasting smell. Now I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. And the ginger is going to give us a lot of flavor with our pumpkin. And I'm adding some chopped onion, just 1 small chopped onion should be enough. And we're just going to cook that for about 2 minutes till our onions turn light golden brown. We don't want our onions to burn, so watch them carefully. To add flavor, I'm adding the stems of my coriander seeds, my coriander leaves. I don't want to waste the stems, and the stems add a lot of flavor. And to that, I'm going to add 2 green chilies. Don't chop them up or they're going to become very spicy. I'm adding about 2 cups of chopped pumpkin. And I've got half a teaspoon or so of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of chili powder or to taste. If you don't like it spicy, you can leave that out. And I'm just going to stir this for a couple of minutes. I'm going to add half a cup of water. Let everything mix well, and then just cover this and cook it for 10 minutes till the pumpkin's soft. And after 10 to 12 minutes, our pumpkin is pretty much done. It's soft and it smells wonderful. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of sugar because our Indian pumpkins aren't so sweet, but it's optional. And as an extra option, I'm just adding a little bit of orange juice, a couple of teaspoons of orange juice for flavor. And pumpkin isn't tasty without cinnamon, so an optional little sprinkle of cinnamon, and I'm using Kea, my favorite cinnamon. And we're just going to cover that for 2 more minutes and let it cook. And our curried pumpkin is done. And I'm just going to garnish it with lots of fresh coriander. And there we go, pumpkin curry. Quick and easy.